What if I tell you that this 2026, you don't need to pay for any signals anymore? What if I tell you that you can build your own trading indicator, trading view indicator without any knowledge of coding? Of course, it is very easy, and I want to show you how you can do that. So make sure you stick to the end of this video and smash that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I won't waste much of your time. Let's get straight into it on how you can do this straight at the comfort of your home with zero stress and even zero trouble. You don't even need fancy tools to be able to create a trading view indicator anymore. This indicator you're seeing right here is being created by me, and I did not pay any guru to do that for me. As you can see, it does two things for me. One, it tells me the direction of the market, the strength, which is right here. Here tells me the time frames, direction in the time frames, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. And apart from that, also I need the strength in the market. So who is in control? Is it the buyers or is it the sellers? And I'm telling you, this has saved me in many scenarios. This has actually been helpful to me. So if I shift on time frame, you can see here it says balance, which means the market is ranging. You can see that this market is ranging on this time frame. If I go down lower, maybe the still balance, it keeps changing alongside the time frame. You see, buyers in control. Pretty much, this is a very good movement on 30 minutes time frame. If sellers in control, it will still turn red and print sellers in control, which means you will only be looking out for sales. And in conjunction with your overall time frame direction. So this can help you make informed decision. The best part of this video is that it's not going to cost you a dime. So make sure you stick to the end as I show you how you can create exactly indicators like this or your own trading strategy to be automated into an indicator that will send you signals, etc. and etc. So first thing first, all you need is an AI, something like ChatGPT, Grok, etc. Cloud AI. But for this video sake, we are going to use Cloud AI. So let's get into this. So this is my cloud. Of course, I have done this video before, but along the way my mic switched off, so the rest of it was pretty much mute. And so I'm doing it again with the file, but everything here is simple. You can see what I said. Let me go back. You can see uh, the command that I use in building this indicator. Of course, after building the indicator, you can come across some errors. That is not the end of it. You just come back here and tell the AI what to do, that you counter some errors and the AI will fix it for you. So here is the Pine script. You can see I wanted to build a Pine script trading view indicator for me that identifies the exhaustion points or turning points in the market is likely to occur and where smart money or volume came in. I need the codes of the script to paste on TradingView. So now we had consistent errors, some along these ways, and you can see I keep sending the AI screenshots. There's an error, fix it. That is truly not bad. It's part of the game. Sometimes you can even be very lucky and the first code generated will just work smoothly and you will enjoy, but always be open to adjustments. If the generated indicator after applying it does not match your need, you can come back and tell it what to do. So now this is our last file generated, and I'm going to paste this file on TradingView and I will show you how you can compile it and how you can add it to the chart and even rename it to your own choice. You can name it your brand name, your FS name, etc. and etc. So now that we are done, we have copied this. We need to head back to TradingView and I'll show you where you can do that. First of all, you need to go to this icon right here and make sure you favorite this Pine editor. For example, if I unfavorite it, you can see it has disappeared from this panel. But once I favorite it, it has appeared. Now we need to click on it, and once you have done that, you need to delete any other code that is here. Normally there are always code there, the default codes. Then you delete, select all and delete, and you create new indicator. All right, come to create new indicator, then you add it. You would have unsaved it. Would you like to save them? No, I don't want to save them. Now you also delete this and paste the new file that the AI created for you. You can use ChatGPT, but personally I prefer using Cloud AI. I prefer using Cloud. So now that we have done that, you come to this play symbol or icon. You can see add to chart. Now you click on it. And once that is being clicked, if there is no errors, it will appear. So we have our indicator right now. Now is the time to inspect and also go through some changes and go through the file. You can see it has appeared here, smart money and exhaustion SMC. Don't forget, I'm giving you all this for free, guys. This is so, make sure you click that subscribe button in appreciation to support what I'm doing. And also don't forget to leave your comments, and if you also want this indicator, the indicator that I'm using currently, just comment indicator in the comment section and I will send it to you right away. Now let's open up this indicator and see what we have here. So these are the settings where you can, filter the things you need and the things you don't need. Understand? Here is the show order blocks. To me, I rather mark my order blocks by myself. And show fair value gaps. I don't trade fair value gaps that much, so I don't need it. To me, liquidity sweep and hunt, very very necessary. I would leave that. Exhaustion signals, very good. Volume climax, I don't know if that's pretty much good, but I did mark, I will uncheck that. Divergence signals, no, I don't need that. Show info labels, no. You can see the smart money volume climax here. So these are where smart money entered their trades. So if you need them, you can still check them. Show dashboard, which is this, I believe. So, and I will leave that as that. Here is where you can edit some other stuff that you want to edit. Wow, this indicator is well packed. And we can click OK. You can see that we are having, let me hide this previous indicator. So now you can see what is going on. We have liquidity sweep above. We have exhaustion point here. I think we have liquidity sweep below. We have liquidity sweep above here. And that is pretty much good because after these sweeps, we can see a very much push up, a very massive push up. After this exhaustion point here, we still had a very good push up. So you can create your own indicator using this format. Go to your AI and make sure you're good in your description. And let's talk about the boss, the dashboard. Wow. We are seeing so many tools here. Volume currently traded in the market, ATR for those that know how to trade ATR. The trend, wow, that is very nice. The trend has ranging, says ranging currently. Well, we can see that the trend is ranging. If we shift time frames, let's see, trend is still ranging. Let's go higher time frame and see ranging. Maybe let's try lower. Okay, the trend has changed to bullish. Active zones, there is no active zones. Wow, this is a very very nice indicator signal, which means this indicator even gives you signal on when to enter a market, something like a buy or a sell, or etc etc. Candle lower wick. Wow, beautiful. So this is actually how you can create your TradingView pine script indicator without going through the whole bluff or paying some gurus to do that for you. You can literally automate your strategy. So many of us has many good strategy, but sometimes it becomes a burden applying it manually. But when you automate that, it will be very very much easier to use, and it will help your trading career so much, so much. So don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section, and if you need this indicator like I explained before, I'll be giving it to you guys for free, totally for free. And one more thing, if eventually you want to save your indicator after compilation and you found out that it is good, and after your tweaking, adjustments and corrections, it becomes very perfect, you need to go to this three dots line, then you click on add this indicator to favorites. So if I add this indicator to favorites now, for example, you can find it in your favorite too. Smart money, something, blah, blah, blah. Where is it? Smart money and exhaustion. Smart money and exhaustion should be around this area. I don't know if I added that. Add. Okay, it's on favorites already. It's on favorites. So which means if I delete this indicator now, smart money and exhaustion. I don't know if I have reached my maximum indicator that I can add here. You can see I created all the DCOTFS, which is the current indicator that I'm using. So that is literally how you can it's like I've exceeded the numbers of indicator I can add right here. But that is how you can add the indicator. Make sure you favorite it so that you don't lose that indicator. If you do lose it, you can always go back and reload it. Then for saving, just like I mentioned, then all you have to do is after adding to the charts, click on this to save your script. I think why it did not add this because I didn't save it. That's the reason. So once you save this now, let me say smart money and SMC stuff by blah 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 blah. This is your first. Then all I need to is click on save. Once I do that, it is automatically saved now. It is automatically saved. I think I can find it here now. You can see it. It's saved. So if I click on it, it will appear. It has appeared. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to drop your comments, and also if you need if you need that indicator, just comment indicator. I'll be sending it out for free of charge, guys. I'll be sending out for free of charge. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay peaceful. Cheers.